Notice how the knight attacks my pawn. I'm going to play the move knight f6, counter-attacking their pawn. And once the knight takes, we're not going to be taking back their pawn. We're going to be playing knight c6. This is called the Stafford Gambit, something you can learn on chessreps.com. Once they take on c6, we play the move d takes c6. Now, both our bishops are very active. Bishop to d3, he's trying to guard his pawn, but there's so many ways to win these types of positions in the Stafford Gambit. For example, bishop to f2 is already targeting the f2 pawn, and White decided to castle, which looks like a very regular move. You're just castling the king. But once we play the move knight g4, we're applying pressure to f2. We're also applying pressure to h2. However, we're not afraid of h3. And that's the thing about this opening. Like, if they ever play h3, we just play h5 and they get fishing pulled. Now that he plays knight c3 and he didn't even respond to what's happening, now I'm able to play the move queen to h4. Now, not only am I threatening a checkmate on h2, I'm also attacking the f2 pawn 3 times. So once he plays h3 and attack my knight, all I'm going to be doing from here is just taking on f2 because I have 1, 2, 3 attackers. He only has 2 defenders. So taking on f2 also attacks the queen. So he had to sacrifice his rook. And from here, I just need to choose how I want to take back the rook. I'm going to choose to take with the bishop though, because I want to sacrifice my bishop on h3. For example, now that he moves his king to h1, his king is on the same line as my queen. So in order for me to checkmate him, all I need to do is take on h3 and it's over. He's not able to take my bishop due to a checkmate. And then on the next move, I'm just going to move my bishop out the way, and that will also be a checkmate. But he decided to take the bishop, and that's just a checkmate. Learn the Stafford Gambit on chessreps.com.